us something about this album.
Oh, kalang picture.
Hindi, video interview.
Alright, something about the album. Oh yeah, well it's my very first album, and then it has 12 tracks. Six of the tracks are my original songs. So yeah, they were all written by me. And then meron din po diyang song by Sir Benny Saturno, who's my mentor and manager. And then yung Carrier single po ngayon is Fallen, and it already has a music video on mix.
Ano yung genre ng album, bale? Or theme that you wanna portray on this?
Well, there's really no central theme. It's really more about me as a songwriter. And then lahat po ng genres like tinatry kong i-reach with this album.
In one song, gaano mo katagal ginagawa yung song pag nagsusulat ka?
Nag-vary po. Yung ibang songs po, like one day matatapos ko na. And then yung ibang songs pinabalikan ko na lang po. Like, because sometimes my inspiration stops and then I'm just like, I don't know what's next for this song or something like that. And then after like a couple months, I go back to it and I'm like, okay, maybe I can add this to the song. For if you ever change your mind, actually, ganun po yung nangyari. But then the rest of the songs parang like 1 week or 1 day, ganun po.
Doon sa 12 tracks na yun, ano yung favorite song mo?
I have two favorite tracks. One's Do 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 and one's Fallen. Yung Fallen gusto ko lang po kasi talaga yung arrangement niya and like the romance aspect of the song. And then yung Do 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 naman po, all about what I'm experiencing right now as a songwriter and as someone starting out in the music industry, like the pressures and all that. And gusto ko din po kasi yung beat niya and may surprise na reggae na part dun sa song. So, yeah.
Ano yung gusto mong ma-remember sa'yo ng tao? Kasi masyado na maraming singers ngayon, di ba? Ano yung gusto mong ma-remember sa'yo ng tao being a singer, a new singer?
As a singer, well, I want to be the type of singer who gets to sing her own material. Someone who gets to sing her own creation. So that's kind of like my edge, maybe. Kung tinatanong ko yun.
Tapos you're on Star Magic now, di ba?
Yes.
How excited you are that you're part of Star Magic
Very
already?
excited because I feel like through Star Records I was able to create an album, but through Star Magic I can do even more for this album and spread my music even more since they're the ones associated with more exposure and all that.
So nung parang ano yan, did Star Magic invite you to be part of the Star Magic? Or
yeah, actually when I signed with Star Records, like they were considering a plan to put me on Star Magic, but I think I'm not really sure how the process went. Baka tinitingnan pa nila kung ready na ba ako for something like that, or if I'm really just a musician.
So ibig sabihin yan, parang you're in Star Magic, you really wanna try then to act? Parang may acting ano na
For
rin.
Star Magic, I feel like I'm looking forward more to hosting maybe for now. I'm really interested in that. Like, I mean, during my shows, I love performing for people, but at the same time, I like being able to talk to them in between the songs and getting to know what kind of crowd there is. And, ayun, gusto ko lang po nakikipag-interact with people. So,
pero yung acting, you wanna
acting,
try?
I think it's also interesting to go into acting, kaya lang, I don't think I have the skills for it right now. Maybe if I go into workshops. But then, yeah, some part of me is interested in going into that. But maybe, not the typical roles.
Kung sakaling magkaroon ka ng chance to have an acting career, sino yung gusto mo makasama?
Gusto mo makasama?
Yeah, I mean, Star Magic artist din that you wanna parang pinahangaan mo on their acting or on their or gusto mo masama sa music video mo, something like that, diba?
No one's going to mind right now. I don't know why. Kasi kapag nag-think ako ng local, laging si Lea Salorga lang pupunta sa brain. Yeah, yun, siya kasi yung talagang for the local industry.
Sa kumaga, gusto mo collaborate?
Yeah.
Why Lea
In one way or
Salorga?
another. Because I feel like she's reached so much, and like if I work with her, I feel like she'll be able to teach me so much as well. Like just watching her in The Voice and giving them tips in between those performances. Parang, I don't know, I feel like you can learn a lot from her and her experience. And she's very talented.